Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Savana Points, how to find them, how to redeem them, and few smart tips that most users don't know about. So make sure you watch till the end because I'll show you how to avoid wasting your points. So before we start, let's quickly understand what Savana Points actually are. Savana Points are actually reward points you earn when you make purchases, complete tasks, and use specific features inside the app. And these points can later be used for discounts, rewards, or even cashback depending on the platform. So you gotta open Savana app and then you gotta click on your profile icon at the bottom right. And here you gotta look for wallet rewards or points section if you have any points available. If you don't have any Savana points, you wouldn't be able to see that option. But if you do have, you'll be able to see total Savana points balance. And now if you wish to use these for discounts, so what you're going to do is first of all see your Savana points over here, that how much Savana points do you have and where you can redeem them. So once you do know about your Savana points, you're going to head over to any of the discount page where you have to use the points or apply your points. So you're going to add your items to cart, and once you have added them to cart, you need to go to checkout. And then you're going to look for use points if you have any and select how many points you want to use, and your total price will automatically decrease. And you can also go to any of the platforms that allow you to convert the wallet. So that's convert points into wallet balance. This can be used like real money inside the application. Now, before you go and use your points, here are a few things that you need to know. Points may expire, so don't wait too long. There's usually a minimum limit to redeem, and some apps limit how many points you can use per order. So don't forget to apply points at checkout. And don't let your points expire, and don't redeem for low value rewards. So that's basically how you can use Savana Points. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.